Veteran dancehall singer Sister Charmaine passed away at age 54. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details of this to come on the program. We ask you, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell and click on all so you're always in tune whenever time we post new videos. We'll be right back after this short break. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities. Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Thanks for joining us for the wonderful program that we have here. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember, just like, share, subscribe to the channel. It doesn't take anything off you to click that notification bell. Click on all so you're always in tune whenever time I post new videos over here. On a bit of sad note and a bit of emotional moment right now, and we're about to just reflect on the life and work of one of our great international, local dancehall star, a veteran in the business, Sister Charmaine. Sad to say, she passed away at age 54 on Tuesday. She was not ill at the time of her passing, and as stated in a media report is that she laid down to have a nap and she just never woke up. And that is just the news that we have to bring to you right now on the program. So as you know, Sister Charmaine was a dominant figure within our dancehall music space, and she's one of those premier dancehall recording artists who many would state did not fear to take on the stage, as she was one of those top and ruthless dancehall entertainers who gravitated her fans and concreted her own personal interest within the music. And this female was a dominant figure back in the days, and I can tell you that she will be sadly missed in the dancehall arena, and many upcoming local and even international stars would have known this female when she started out in the early days and then became a household name right across the country. And it's just sad to see that she's actually gone right now. So this individual was actually go by the name Charmaine Mackenzie, and she would have been on many of the popular shows back in the days, and she would have been one of those recording artists that was very firm in her delivery of her vocals, and her lyrical content will forever rest in the hearts and minds of many. So it's been reported that Sister Charmaine passed away at her home in the United States on Tuesday. She was actually 54 years old, and this news was confirmed by a close friend and fellow DJ, Lady Ann, who confirmed her passing. Sister Charmaine had issues with asthma for many years, and she went to lay down, the friend stated, and she just didn't wake up. Sister Charmaine resides in Bronx, New York since 1994, and her birth name is Charmaine Mackenzie. She's originally from Arnett Gardens in Kingston, Jamaica. She is best known for tracks such as Glamity, Granny Advice, We Have the Body, and Man Look Nice. At Sting 1989, Sister Charmaine performed in a memorable For the Hard Way clash, which include Lady P, Lady Patra, and Lady G. Sister Charmaine is survived by her daughter and one granddaughter. And we here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express our sincere condolences to the family and friends of this veteran dancehall entertainer. This is where we're going to leave this one here for now. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Peace out and bless.